In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear students, how are you? Hope you all are safe and sound. Dear students, I am your science teacher Ali Gul, and today is the second lecture of week 7 of your first term. Contents or learning objects of today's lesson. Dear students, in today's lecture, we will discuss the exercise questions part 2, related to chapter number 3, the periodic table. This includes question number 5 to question number 7. Dear students, in today's lecture, we will discuss the remaining part of exercise of chapter number 3, the periodic table. You must follow the given instructions for solving exercise, which are: you need a pencil and a notebook. Keep noting down the questions, along with their question number, and solve them with the help of previous lectures. Submit your answers to your science teacher and GCR. Wait for the correct answers, which will be provided by your teacher at the end of the class. Exercise question number 5. This question refers to the outline of the periodic table. Give the answers to the following. 1. Which groups are the following elements in A, B, B, C, C, E, D, F? 2. Which element is a noble gas? 3. Which element is an alkali metal? 4. Which element is a halogen? 5. Which two elements have very similar properties? 6. Which element has 2 electrons in its outer shell? Exercise question number 6. The table shows the structure of several particles. Give the answers of following using this table. 1. Which 3 particles are neutral atoms? 2. Which particle is a negative ion? What is the charge on this ion? 3. Which particle is a positive ion? What is the charge on this ion? 4. Use the periodic table to identify particle A. Exercise question number 7. A list of particles is given below. Give the answers of following. 1. From the list, select A. 2 atoms. B. 2 molecules. C. 2 ions. 2. What do the following symbols represent? A. N. A. Positive. B. I negative. Exercise question number 7. Part 3. Write the answer to the following. 1. Name the compound made up from N. A. Positive and I negative. 2. Write a formula for this compound. 3. What sort of bond holds this compound? Dear students, now, it's time for the homework. For this, you must review the slides keenly and thoroughly. Complete the given worksheet. Write down the given questions and their answers in your notebooks. That's all for today's lecture. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.